because it's melting the steel. This is very hot. Oh, it just fell over. It broke, it cracked, it broke. Back into the cupel. This is the ore from Mount Baker. Some of this looks fairly bland. Some of this has been cooked. It's a little more exciting, but I'm following this really dark line through here. And when I broke it open, pretty little pockets here and there, little gems. These red looking pockets. Really nice. Never would have known that was in there. Very cool. First mosquito. Ha! First mosquito here in Alaska. So, you never know what's going to be in some of the ore that you get. Just have to break it and crush it down. Whoops. Whoops. That's really nice too. But I wanted to show you something. I had a bit of a problem with my brand new furnace I had made. I have the vacuum cleaner and it forced air into a tube, control the air, hit the steel, and the gas comes in right there, propane, comes down, and I had melted the end of my pipe. It was about 1.5 inches longer, but it went through. Let's see how to video this. There's the hole, but it went through on the other side and completely melted and dripped through, and it melted my pipe back, and it dripped this big glob of steel down in here. It went through my KO wool, but I'm noticing all these other little spots, and they're kind of yellow. Wondering what is that yellow all about? And I think it's the borax. Okay, this is the way everything was sitting, and I had a malfunction with the kale wool. It melted. My stuff spilled out. This glued together pretty well. It's like, okay, I'll put all this stuff off to the side, let it cool down and deal with it. And so as I'm dealing with it, let me put this in the tripod. Okay, as I'm continuing to clean this up, I pull this off, and my brother had even suggested this, but here's the steel. Here's the steel pipe parts that had melted off the end. But this is full of holes. And on the back side, it's like the bullets haven't come all the way through. I'm pulling out these little BBs. Geez, I don't want to lose anything, but when you're out here in the dirt. So, another airplane. I've been pulling these BBs up. And doggone, if some of them don't have a gold color. Doesn't that look gold? Compared to the steel? And so I have this little pile. It feels very heavy. That might just be a rock. It feels very heavy, and it's all kind of a golden color. So put the furnace back together. and put one of these to use. That sure looks like gold. Let's cook all of this. This is amazing. What a find. Put this back together and fire it up. This little guy's getting a carrot in the sun. Pretty cool. This is very hot. Oh, it just fell over. It broke, it cracked, it broke. It totally broke. Holy cow. Wow. Look at this mess. My my burning dish. It broke right in half. Luckily, I had another cupel in there. And that other cupel caught all the lead. And hopefully there's gold in there, but holy cow. Ow, that's too hot to get that close to. Wow, what an experience. I guess the burning dish isn't made for cupeling. It looks like right there in the very, very center, this is still too hot to get close to. That little ball right there. Yikes, that's hot. But what a bunch of fun. I'll pluck it out of there once it's cooled. Let's see about that one. Oh, ow. It's stuck. It's already just stuck down in there. I'm gonna have to let this all cool down and then try to take it apart, because my torch is just too hot. It's melted the pipe. Well, maybe I shouldn't have tried using a burning dish as a cupel. I'll let this cool down. Oh, that's warm. Well, I guess that cupel is it. That's the one I'm going to finish this off in. Alright. Oh no, that's still way too hot. So one thing I'm learning, I had a KO wool floor on this, and it looks like it might be melting out. I have no control over the temperature of this torch, but I know it gets super hot. I'll have to figure out something there, because it's melting the steel. Following these little holes, making sure they go all the way through to the other side. And if not, like this one here, oh, maybe you can see that. It's pretty heavy. I found this one as well. Oh, here's one right there. Three more to add. Okay. Oh, there's another. And another. I can hear some more falling out. So there's three. There's two more. 4, 5 to add to the group. Wow, I don't know what to say. It's like these things are sinking through the first layer and then stopping. Oh, another one just fell out. There's some more fell out. What a lucky piece. What a lucky piece. Okay, I'm going to use that one still. But look. There's one. There's a BB. Holy cow. Golly, sometimes. Okay, some of those are steel, some of them is a rock. But I bet there's more gold in there. Let's weigh this stuff again. See where we are. Button is on 0, 0. So the big piece. Little pieces. More little pieces and pieces. So where are we? 14.9. Then we have these 7. 15.3. 16, that's half ounce. Whoops. 16.9 and a grand total of 17.9 grams. I thought I'd lost that. I was really bummed out thinking I just didn't know where it was. It's in this mess. Okay. Back into the cupel. I'll put that big one on top. I really gotta say, that sounds beautiful. I mean, that looks beautiful. Got it heating up again now. This first has lead and gold in it from the rescue. That there has just a little bit of gold. I'm hoping it has gold in it. We'll let this warm up. Hoping it's not too much heat too fast. It gets incredibly hot in here. I'm watching that lead start to melt. I've seen this a million times on TV, but I'm actually watching my own cupel. That's pretty awesome. I think the gold is the stuff that's having trouble melting. It's just regular split shot. So I dropped some lead shot into that. I can't get my finger close. Into this one up here, I dropped some lead shot into it because I think it needed some collector metal. Just regular lead shot. Oops, I think I made a mistake somewhere. Now we're reaching a pretty serious temperature. Oh, that's hot. So the one on the right is kind of glowing red. The one on the left is the lead shot that I put in there to help collect that gold. I don't know if it's working. I don't know, the one on the right looks like the cupel worked perfectly and it's just kind of boiling in there, but I don't know if that's done or how to know when it's done or not. I'll just watch it for a while. The one on the right's glowing red though. So is my phone. Dang. It sure is smoking in there. Let me move this, pull this out of the way, pull this off of it, and see what we can see. That'd be cool if that's all gold. Well, that was interesting. I don't know why I don't video some of this stuff, but I poured the lead that was in this one into this other cupel. It looks like it has gold in it, on it. I don't know. It's very interesting. I better get this other one out of there. Oh, it's not gold color either. I don't think it's done. It's not gold color. I don't think that one's done. Let me set things up and I'll go some more. All right. That really needs to cool down. Well, I thought it was gold, but now I'm just hoping that little piece of lead just doesn't get any smaller. I'm still hopeful it'll stop. There's not much left of that thing. I can't see what's going on in there anymore. Not as big as it used to be. It's smoking. It's disappearing into nothing. There it goes. I still have hope. There is a speck. So, I guess you're just about as disappointed as I am. I'm chasing gold.